Reverend Father Aloysius, Assistant Parish Priest of St. Francis de Sales Parish, Tripura, South Tripura. Father, tell me something about this Mother's Meal movement.
This meal is mainly given for those who are in need, especially like widowers and some people, those who have physically challenged people. So in order to help out during this COVID-19, because many are suffering in this pandemic time, so many people cannot go for work, and with a little help that we can give, we are trying our level best for giving them. So it is not from our part that we give, but it is from the congregation. We have one association that is Face India. We call it is from Guwahati. So from there they are supplying all this, then we are giving away to the people here.
Since how many months you are distributing this Mother's Meal?
It is already 11 months. It is 11 months is running now.
Okay. How many of them? How many family you are distributing? It's like 25, I think.
Around 25.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for that. Thank you for that.